You probably clicked on this video because your views have completely dropped, your engagements have completely disappeared, and YouTube isn't recommending your videos anymore, and you are worried that your channel might have died. Now, you need to know whether it's possible for you or not to save it, while other small YouTubers don't even realize that their channel is dying until it is too late. But don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to revive a dead channel in just some few easy steps. So now the question is it actually true that YouTube channel dies? And the answer is yes, a YouTube channel can die. But YouTube doesn't actually intentionally kill a channel for no reason. A channel will gradually decline due to a combination of factors. Some of these factors include poor content engagement, wrong audience signals, or even creator inconsistencies. Unless you have had your channel removed by YouTube for copyright strike or community guideline warnings, you can always revive a dead channel, but it's going to take a lot of planning and execution. So if you are unsure whether your channel is truly dead or not, make sure to stick around throughout this video. I've got a list of what to look out for and how to diagnose this problem. To go straight to the point, here are the 4 signs you should look out for if your channel is truly dead or not. Point number 1 is when YouTube stops recommending your videos to new audience. Point number 2 is when your current subscribers aren't engaging with your new content. Point number 3 is your last 5 to 10 videos get way lesser views than your subscriber count. And then point number 4 is your old videos used to get views, but your current videos seem not to get any. If any of these 4 seem familiar to you, make sure you listen up and stay till the end of this video, because I'll give you a proven process you can use to revive your channel and bring it back to life. Okay, so once you come to the realization that your current channel is about to die or your channel is dead, the most common thing that will come to your mind is whether you should abandon the channel and start a new one. Or maybe you'll be wondering whether it is possible to revive that channel. Irrespective of whatever decision you will be making finally, there certainly are factors you would have to consider. If you finally decided that you are going to keep your old channel or revive it, these are the factors you would have to consider. The first factor is if you have at least about 500 active subscribers on your channel, and then also your old content is still relevant to the new content you do, and then also you have some few videos on your channel that are doing very well in terms of views, about 1,000+ views, and then also your channel has a very good reputation with no copyright strikes or warnings. These are reasons that will certainly permit you to revive your channel and not abandon it. But on the other hand, I would strongly advise you completely start all over if you are changing niches. So what that means is your old content will no longer match your new videos. Another thing you would consider is if your old videos were really very poor and they never got any views. And in some cases, you have a large number of subscribers who don't even engage in your videos. Or you've happened to have copyright infringement or copyright strike on your channel. With these instances, there's no any bargaining. It's best you start all over. You might also find yourself in a situation where you are feeling pained about having to let go everything you have built. The truth is, the best thing for you at that moment is to completely let that channel go and start all over. Most of the cases, the best way to grow is to start all over. So now, if you decide to revive your channel, the first thing you would have to do is to re-optimize your channel and all the videos on your channel. And with this, you will need to re-optimize your YouTube account. This is because your YouTube channel and all the videos on that channel create something we call channel data, and this is the data that sends information to the algorithm for it to decide the kind of people to show your content to. So if your channel and the videos on your channel are sending wrong data to the algorithm, that is certainly the reason why your channel has stopped growing. You'd have to take this moment to re-optimize your channel and all the videos on your channel so that it will stop sending the wrong data to the algorithm. And the easiest way to do that is to go and readjust or re-amend the titles, the hashtags, the descriptions of all your videos on your channel. So I'm just going to pick any of my videos on this channel to demonstrate to you how you can also optimize any of your videos on your channel. So what you are going to do essentially here is that we are going to trigger a refresh. You are going to show YouTube that you are starting again and creating a new path for your old account or your old channel. And that's just a way of you optimizing your content. And we are doing all these things because your old videos are still throwing wrong signals to the algorithm. To do this is just simply by amending your hashtag titles and descriptions. This might sound a little bit difficult, but thank God there's ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to be the right guy to be assigned to carry out this task. To re-optimize this particular old video of mine, I'm going to come below to copy the title and the description of this video. And just so you know, whatever we're going to do for the title and description of this video is the same thing we are going to do for the hashtags as well. So once you open up ChatGPT, you are going to input this prompt in. And the prompt is, my current YouTube channel isn't growing. And an attempt to revive it, I'm going to need to optimize my old content. Below is a title and description of one of my videos. So at this point, you are going to put in the title and description of the video you are going to optimize. So after I have put in the title and description, let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us based on this video. ChatGPT has given us a whole new description and title. This is looking a little bit more refreshing than the old one. So you can go ahead to copy them and refill them on the old video and then save the video. You can also use this to generate tags for your videos using a website called Rapid Tag Generator. All you need to do is to copy the title of the video and then come over to this website, Rapid Tag Generator. Input the title in there and then it will generate you tags for that particular video based on the title of the video. So once your old content has been re-optimized, it's now time for you to plan ahead and do some heavy market research. And this is where you would have to do a lot of idea validations. That is where you would have to look into your niche to see what is working and what is not working. You would also want to discover which channels are gaining a lot of success in your niche. At this stage, you would want to produce videos that are proven to be doing very well. Because if you are reviving your channel where your videos were not doing well, what it certainly meant is that there are certain choice of videos that didn't work for you, and this time you are going to do things a lot more different from what you used to do. The whole goal here is to get thousands and thousands of views on every video you upload. So entirely what it means is that you are going to do everything different from what you used to do initially. And for you to be able to do this effectively, you will need to make a list of all the channels that their videos are doing well or their videos are gaining a lot of success and they are in your niche. Make a list of all their viral videos. This will help you make your own version of those videos in your own style. And if you are also someone that is into shorts, or like you are someone that does a lot of shorts, you would like to look out for creators that also do shorts and they are in your niche. Look for their videos that did very well, then you can remodel those shorts to suit your audience. In order to effectively revive your dead channel, you certainly need to have a regimented posting plan. One of the biggest reasons why channels die is because the creators are inconsistent. So now you need to do everything different from how you used to do it. So you will need to have a strict, consistent posting plan. If you are the type that posts only shorts, then I would advise you at least post one short for a day for a couple of months. And if you are the type that posts long form videos, then I would suggest you post at least 2 videos a week. And you will need to have a posting schedule or time that your audience would get used to. It doesn't matter which specific days of the week you choose. All you just need to do is to make sure you are posting 2 videos in a week. Once you decide to do this, make sure you stick to the days you have decided and never ever miss posting on any of those days. Once you have this consistently going on, the algorithm will prioritize your channel and keep recommending your videos to new audience. Another smart thing you can also do is to take sections of your long form videos and cut out those sections to be used as shorts. In this way, you are not going to be seen wasting time or energy creating more works or creating more videos. Shorts have always been a very good video format that brings a lot of views and subscribers to every channel, so you wouldn't want to sleep on that.